Welcome to today's tutorial on creating a stunning healthcare logo design using Canva. Whether you're launching a medical practice, a wellness center, or a pharmaceutical company, your logo serves as the face of your brand. But fear not, in this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of designing a captivating healthcare logo using online platform Canva. To begin, type canva.com and sign up for a completely free account and log into Canva. Type logo into the search bar on the homepage. Next, browse through Canva's vast collection of professional templates. Choose one that aligns with the healthcare theme. Start by recreating your logo concept using the tools and features. Now it's time to make the design your own. Customize the colors, fonts, and elements to reflect your brand identity. Make any necessary adjustment to ensure your logo aligns with your vision. Enhance your logo with relevant healthcare symbols to convey your industry focus. Once you are satisfied with your design, finalize it and download your logo in high resolution for use across various platforms. Take constructive criticism on board and iterate on your design accordingly. Remember, the goal is to create a logo that resonates with your target audience. Congratulations! You have successfully created a professional healthcare logo design using Canva. Remember, a well-designed logo can elevate your brand and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on graphic design. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy designing. Ciao.